The difference between a diesel engine that dies at 100,000 miles and one that runs strong at 350,000 miles isn't luck or build quality. It's how you handle one critical maintenance task that most diesel owners get completely wrong. Today I'm revealing the 5 diesel oil change tricks that can triple your engine's lifespan. These aren't complicated procedures or expensive additives. They're simple changes to your maintenance routine that separate engines that last decades from those that need rebuilds before 150,000 miles. Make sure to watch till the end, because trick number 5 involves something most diesel owners do backwards, and it's destroying their engines faster than any other single mistake. Let's start with the most controversial trick that goes against what your owner's manual tells you. Trick number 1. Change engine oil every 5,000 to 6,500 miles, especially post-service plan, regardless of what the manual says. Your owner's manual might recommend 12,000 or even 20,000 mile intervals, but those extended intervals are designed around optimal conditions that rarely exist in the real world. Diesel engines produce more combustion byproducts that contaminate oil. Modern emission systems make this worse by recirculating exhaust gases that introduce soot and acids directly into your crankcase. Here's what happens during those extra 5,000 miles. Your oil accumulates soot particles that act like liquid sandpaper. Acids from combustion byproducts start corroding metal surfaces. The oil's additive package becomes depleted, reducing its protective ability. Professional diesel mechanics change their own oil every 5,000 to 6,500 miles because they've seen the difference in engine wear between short and extended intervals. The math is simple. A $60 oil change every 6,000 miles costs $300 over 30,000 miles. An engine rebuild costs $15,000. Trick number 2. Change the oil filter every single oil change. Some diesel owners try to save money by reusing oil filters for 2 oil changes. This is one of the most expensive false economies in diesel maintenance. Your oil filter doesn't just remove particles. A used filter has already trapped contaminants and begun to restrict flow. When you reuse a filter, you're starting your fresh oil change with a filter that's already partially clogged. Diesel engines produce significantly more soot, a bit more than gasoline engines. Within a few hundred miles, that reused filter begins bypassing unfiltered oil directly back to your engine. Modern diesel engines with turbochargers require absolutely clean oil. A marginal filter can cause turbo failure that costs thousands to repair. Always use a high-quality filter specifically designed for your diesel engine. Trick number 3. Avoid short trips and heavy traffic conditions whenever possible. Short trips prevent your engine from reaching full operating temperature. The engine oil needs to reach 180 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit to evaporate moisture and fuel contamination that accumulates during combustion. Short trips allow water vapor from combustion to condense in your crankcase, mixing with oil to form acids and sludge. Unburned fuel dilutes the oil, reducing its protective properties. Heavy traffic creates similar problems through constant idling and low-speed operation. The solution is simple. Once a week, take your diesel on a 20 to 30-minute highway drive above 55 miles per hour. This allows the engine and oil to reach proper operating temperatures, burning off contaminants. If your daily driving consists mainly of short trips, try to change your oil every 5,000 miles instead of 6,500. Before we get to the final 2 tricks, let me share the warning signs that indicate your current oil change strategy isn't protecting your engine. These symptoms mean you need to shorten your intervals immediately. First, metal particles on your dipstick. When you check your oil, look closely at the dipstick. If you see metallic flecks or particles clinging to the metal, that's internal engine wear being suspended in your oil. This means your oil is either breaking down between changes or your intervals are too long for your driving conditions. Second, oil becoming thick and sludgy before the change interval. Diesel oil naturally turns black quickly due to soot, and that's completely normal. What's not normal is oil that becomes thick, gummy, or develops a tar-like consistency before your scheduled change interval. Healthy diesel oil should flow smoothly off the dipstick even when black. If your oil is becoming thick or sticky within a few thousand miles, it indicates the oil is breaking down due to excessive contamination, wrong viscosity, or intervals that are too long for your operating conditions. Fourth, poor cold start performance. If your diesel is becoming harder to start in cold weather or takes longer to reach stable idle, contaminated oil could be the culprit. Old oil thickens more in cold temperatures and doesn't flow as readily to critical components. Fifth, excessive oil consumption. If you're adding oil between changes more frequently than before, it could indicate that contaminated oil is causing increased wear on seals and rings, allowing oil to escape into the combustion chamber. Any of these symptoms means you should immediately shorten your oil change intervals by a few thousand miles and monitor for improvement. Your engine is telling you it needs more frequent oil changes to stay healthy. All right, back to the final 2 tricks that separate average diesel maintenance from great diesel maintenance. Trick number 4. Use the correct oil viscosity for your specific operating conditions. Most diesel owners choose oil based on what's cheapest, but selecting the right viscosity for your driving conditions can dramatically extend engine life. Match your oil viscosity to your heaviest use condition, not your average driving. If you tow regularly, live in extreme temperatures, or operate in dusty conditions, choose your oil grade accordingly. Synthetic oils offer significant advantages for diesel applications. They maintain viscosity better across temperature ranges, resist oxidation longer, and provide superior protection against soot-related wear. Always verify that your chosen oil meets the latest diesel specifications like API CK4 or FA4. Trick number 5. Never change oil when the engine is cold. Most diesel owners change their oil when the engine is cold because it's more convenient. This significantly reduces the effectiveness of your oil change. Hot oil is crucial because it carries contaminants in suspension that settle out when the engine sits cold. Cold, thick oil doesn't flow well and leaves behind contaminated oil in remote passages and the oil cooler. Here's the proper procedure. Run your engine for 1 to 5 minutes before changing the oil. You want the oil warm enough to flow freely but not burning hot. Warm oil drains more completely, removing more contaminants and ensuring you get the full benefit of fresh oil. The difference between cold and warm oil changes is dramatic in terms of how much old, contaminated oil gets removed. This also applies to the filter change. Here's what these 5 tricks really accomplish. They address the unique challenges that diesel engines face in real-world operation. Diesel engines produce more contaminants, operate under higher stresses, and rely more heavily on oil quality than gasoline engines. By acknowledging these differences and adjusting your maintenance accordingly, you're giving your engine the best possible chance for a long, productive life. The cost difference between following these tricks and doing minimum maintenance is minimal over the life of the engine. We're talking about perhaps $200 to $300 extra per year in oil and filter costs. Compare that to the cost of an engine rebuild or replacement, and the return on investment is enormous. Remember, diesel engines are designed to last hundreds of thousands of miles, but only if they're maintained properly. These aren't just manufacturer recommendations designed to sell more parts. They're proven oil strategies that professional diesel mechanics use on their own vehicles. The choice is yours. Invest a little extra in proper maintenance now, or pay exponentially more for repairs and replacements later. Your diesel engine is telling you what it needs through its design and operating characteristics. These 5 tricks simply give it what it's asking for. What's your experience with diesel oil change intervals? Have you seen the difference between engines maintained with short intervals versus those following extended manufacturer recommendations? Share your stories in the comments and help other diesel owners make informed decisions about their maintenance. If these oil change tricks could extend your diesel's life by 250,000 miles, please press the like button and subscribe for more diesel maintenance secrets that actually work. Your engine's longevity depends on the choices you make today. Thanks for watching.